Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Bit. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to retire from CEO after you have registered as a CEO. So, if you want to retire, all you have to do is just press M on your keyboard to open the interaction menu. As the interaction menu pops up, go for the first option, Secure Serve CEO, and just click on it. And look at the option at last, retire. So just click on it. And this notification alert comes on your screen. If you are sure, just hit enter. If you are not, go back. So guys, that's how you retire from CEO on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.